resisting!
Get down! Get down!
Stop resisting!
Stop resisting!
April 2nd, 2025. A quiet neighborhood in West Salem, Wisconsin is shattered by a chilling 911 call. A 78-year-old woman, bruised and bleeding, reports being attacked, not by a stranger, but by her own grandson. Officers from the West Salem Police Department arrive within minutes. What they uncover...
Police arrived shortly after and went to the neighbor's house to speak with the grandmother.
Oh, so somebody's in the back so he doesn't run out? He's in there.
They think she might run out there if you guys want to hang out, but... Hi.
I'm a good grandma.
I'm also Donnelly.
Do you want the channel?
Not yet, no. Thank you.
While talking with the neighbor, officers noticed the grandson watching them from the front window of the home.
Oh, he's looking out the door.
Be advised, he's watching out the front door.
Step forward, thanks. You hear that?
So what happened today?
He's been acting paranoid. Him and his sister had a fight. He was living with her, so he moved out. And staying with me till I got a new apartment. But lately he's been so paranoid that you can't tell. He's always right, and you are always wrong. We tried to make things better, you know, but he just wouldn't accept that. And then this morning he came downstairs, out the door. And I don't know what he did in the kitchen. He went back upstairs. The second time he came downstairs, he had a popsicle stick in his hand, and he said, "I gotta kill you."
He said, I gotta kill you.
I gotta kill you. I said, "What's the matter?" "Well, let's talk about it." And he said, "Oh, Grandma, no." He said, "I have to kill you." And he started hitting me with this popsicle stick on top of my head.
How was he, like, poking you with it, or just in his hand?
He was hitting. He was hitting.
Yeah, she's got blood on top of her head, but it's not bleeding, gushing, or
Okay,
anything.
do you want an ambulance to come check you out?
No, I think I'm okay. He hit me many times, and he had me to the ground, and I managed to get up once. And then I headed to the door, and he got me down. I fell again, but I was close enough to the door I could unlock it and undo the knob and get out. And then I came over here. But he didn't come after me, which I thought I was scared, because I thought maybe he would. He was that mad at me. You could see it in his eyes. He's not a drug user. He wasn't. Put it that way.
Okay.
He did use some marijuana a couple of years ago, and has always said that he has quit. Well, then he lost his key to work, and that kind of...
Yeah, he called me about that the other day.
Did he?
Yeah,
he
he
just
was
kept...
paranoid, like you
Right,
said.
calling and talking, and... Well, he slept all evening last night. When I went to bed, he was fine. He got up and he said, "I'm going to bed." So, okay.
When did he say that?
Last night. And then this morning, and he had a look in his eye that was like the devil. I'm not kidding you. I knew something was up. Before he got downstairs, I found this black package of little round orange glow things, it was called. And it said to take 1/27th of a... 1/27th? How do you measure that? But anyway, have you ever heard of that, orange glow? I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's one of those, I think.
The only
Is
thing I
that-
could think is like a THC gummy or something.
Yeah, it's stuff like a gummy bear. Because he looked, oh my God, if I'd have met him somewhere and didn't know him, he just scared me.
So just to recap, you were just at your house, came right over here after this whole incident, so maybe a half hour ago. He came downstairs, grabbed something, went back upstairs, and then he came back down with a popsicle.
As officers move in, they find the suspect inside, clearly disconnected from reality. He resists commands, struggles violently, and shows no response to OC spray or tasers. It takes multiple officers to bring him under control. His strength and confusion suggest something more than aggression. Possibly drug-induced psychosis. This isn't just a domestic incident. It's a full-blown psychological and medical emergency.
Gummies, I'm thinking THC gummies. Came downstairs with a popsicle stick of all things and said, "I have to kill you." And she's like, "What are you talking about? What's going on? I have to kill you." And then he started stabbing her with the popsicle stick, hitting her in the head 5-10 times. She fell to the ground and was able to crawl out the door and run over the neighbors. She said, "Go in if you need to. He should be the only one home."
All day, he's one Silver Drive.
Yeah. Well, can she... Well, they're both kind of...
Yeah. Sorry, Michelle. I know you're here. I shouldn't talk to you.
Sorry.
I guess I'll leave that up to you. Normally I would. I mean, she's a cop.
Okay. You guys back door? Okay.
Try to knock or just go in.
You got consent?
Yeah.
I would say let's go in and announce at the same time.
607, hold the channel.
I'll go lethal, you go taser in hands. Yeah?
She taser certified?
All cars.
I don't have a taser though.
Lethal taser hands.
West Salem Police! Show me your hands. Stop.
Stop, please.
Stop. Down. Get down. Stop resisting.
Get down.
Get down. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased.
Due to his active resistance and aggressive behavior, OC spray was deployed directly to his face, eventually affecting everyone in the room.
Stop resisting!
All right.
Give me your hands! Give me your hands!
Got him?
Since the OC spray had little to no effect on him, he was generously introduced to 1,200 volts of electricity.
Yeah.
Where's your taser?
Someone take him.
Where's your taser?
This is how this is gonna go. You're gonna put your hands on your back and you're gonna take.
Stop. All right. Stop resisting.
All right.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Jimmy, you want me to grab one hand?
Stop resisting.
Another cycle back. I got this hand. I'm not gonna let it go.
Stop resisting! Turn over!
There's more units.
Go right now. Yeah, but I'll just get another cycle.
Stop resisting.
You're gonna keep getting cycles until you stop resisting and put your head behind your back. All right. Stop resisting. Okay, Michelle, you want to get handcuffed? Here.
Yep.
Go there.
Noticing little effect from the pepper spray or taser deployments, officers suspected he may be under the influence of drugs.
Oh, you got one? Got that.
All right, I got you.
Come on. Stop resisting.
We're not here to hurt you, but you are going to go in handcuffs. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. We don't want to hurt you. Here you go. All right. Stop resisting.
Put your hand back.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Back here.
Behind your back.
Put your
No,
hand.
nobody else. We still need help here.
No,
Good?
we got that. You got it?
Got this one.
Control 1, put me around.
I got his muff. I'm good.
I'll radio.
Yeah? I got him.
121, everyone else can 22, 195.
Are you okay? No. What's wrong?
I'm bleeding.
What's that?
I'm bleeding.
You're what?
I really don't know.
I really don't know. I'm going to search you down. You got anything on you? I should be aware of it. Any drugs, bombs, booze, nuclear weapons, Abrams tanks? Nothing like that?
Nothing.
After he was in custody, officers confirmed that the ambulance was responding emergently not only due to the taser and pepper spray, but also because of his behavior, as they believed excited delirium might be a concern.
Take tri-state, multiple taser deployments and pepper spray.
You alright?
Yep, good.
I'm going to roll you towards me, alright? Tell me out a little bit. You good?
No, your eyes are hurting. We'll get you some water. You need, they're hurt, right? Get you some water for your eyes.
What'd you take today? You didn't take any drugs or narcotics?
No,
Nothing? No, I mean what? Okay, I'm going to sit you under my butt, right? Stay right here. Listen, look at me. Look at me. What did you take today? The ambulance is coming. They're going to check you out. What'd you take today? We want to help you. Got it?
Are you good, buddy? Yeah. You got more of a dose than me. I just came in for a little bit of airborne stuff. God, I could already smell
Clear out the sinuses.
Do you have anything in your system you shouldn't have? I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I'm trying to help you.
We're trying to help. We're trying to help, man.
You got anything in your system? No drugs? No alcohol?
No drugs.
No? Why are you acting so crazy today? Brother, you want to stay in the basement with me? Look at me. You okay?
Handcuffs.
Yeah, you're in handcuffs because you were fighting pretty good. Try to say something good? 33 or no?
I don't know that.
Yeah, bring him in 33. I don't know. It's weird.
607, 633.
Where were you sleeping at today? Which room? What's that?
I don't know, man.
Which room are you sleeping in today? Huh? Were you sleeping upstairs? You take over for him?
Yeah.
Were you sleeping upstairs today? Last night? I want to check your room to make sure there's nothing like... You seem to have taken something to me.
I'm gonna go grab a squad.
Some narcotics or something. Did you smoke some reefer? Or marijuana, I guess? I don't know what to call it these days.
Just gummies, any prescriptions, anything, buddy? This is medical stuff we just want to know about.
Do me a favor. You know Indian style? Okay, let's do this then.
Chill, man.
Huh? I got an ambulance coming to check you out. Okay?
Where's my grandma?
She's across.
She's safe, just not in the house.
Yeah.
No, coming back to you.
Tell me how you're feeling.
I'm feeling dazed, like I don't know what the fuck happened.
Okay. So your last remember.
Laying on the couch or bed.
Okay.
No, actually, what?
What's that?
No, like what?
What happened? You started fighting with the police, man.
Why didn't you know you guys were here?
Once restrained, the young man spirals further. He's dazed, paranoid, and disoriented, repeating phrases like "cut it off" and "help me mentally." Officers shift from tactical response to emergency care, trying to keep him conscious and calm. Paramedics arrive, but even they struggle to communicate with him. The suspect admits to consuming just gummies, but their effect was anything but mild.
Why are you feeling this way? You don't know? What are you feeling?
Easy, buddy, easy. Hey, chill out.
We're all right. You're fine. You're fine, buddy. We're all right. We just have to wait here, though.
No, this kinda hurts.
I bet.
We want to get you sitting up, but you get...
Do you want to sit back on your butt as long as you don't fight us? Yep, I don't want that either. Do you want to sit on your butt?
I'll help you sit up. We just don't want to fight with you.
You can't get all the way up. We got to sit down on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now kick this one in. Like this.
But we have to stay like this for now, okay? Hey, can you sit up a little bit more? Because it's actually easier to breathe when you're
Put your head up.
She said he had little gummies somewhere. I don't know where they are now.
Here, we're going to slide back on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now you can lean back against the counter here.
Lay your head back.
Okay. Chill out, buddy.
So
Chill.
the paramedics are going to look at you, but it's really hard to look at you when you keep doing what you're doing. So I need you just to kind of sit still.
His left ankle.
Chill out. We're going to put you back on your back. I'm going to put you back on your back.
There's a real option here.
All right? I'm going to put you on your back if you keep on squirreling.
And you did not like being on your back because it hurt your hands.
I'm trying to work with you. I'm trying to cooperate with you. Okay?
I understand.
Okay, then stop moving around. Stop moving. Listen, I need to know if you took anything, because your eyes are big as the moon. And you're acting kind of funny. I've never known you to act this way before.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I think you took something.
I'm not even trying to fight.
I don't know why you're fighting, but I need to tell the paramedics what you took. It's all right.
Okay, easy. We're not here to fight. We're here to make sure you're okay. So we're not enemies. Hey, now do your hands.
You're good. You're in handcuffs, but you're okay. We just need to make sure that you're okay. You take a couple deep breaths, chill out a bit.
Easy.
What'd you get?
Cut it off.
What's that?
Put me under and cut it off.
Cut what off?
My neck.
No, we're not cutting off.
Look at it.
No, we didn't cut your off.
Nobody cut your neck off?
No,
Or you
no.
did?
No,
Just put me under and cut it off.
no one wants to
what
cut
off?
anything. He's talking about this.
Oh,
Thinks you cut it off.
Shut up, man.
Buddy,
you're fine.
Shut it off.
you might have a
Help
little
me cut
probe
it
in it. They're going to take it
Help
out,
me
okay?
cut it off.
No one's
We're not going to cut off.
Help me cut it
We're
off.
going to get off, but we'll wait for the ambulance. That's why we're trying to get all this
Help me cut
information.
it off.
What do you want me to cut off? Why do you want me to cut off your dick?
Just do it. Just put me under and cut me off.
Why?
Just please do it.
Why?
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, you got a probe in it, but do you want us to work it out or medical people?
Yeah, no, help me medically.
Yeah, the medical
me.
people are coming.
Help me medically.
We are.
Help me medically.
But they're gonna not be able to.
Help me medically. Help me medically. Help me medically. Okay, help me. Hurry up.
Nice, you're okay, buddy.
Help me, hurry up. Hurry up. Help me. Hurry up.
You want me to
Help me. Hurry up.
put you on your back? Ready? Here.
Dude, don't.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
You're gonna make things worse.
Don't do that.
I'm excited, delirium.
Calm down, buddy.
The paramedics are here.
I'm wearing a strap to the car, so we'll be good.
Yeah, he's trying to rip the probe and is growing out himself.
Hey, easy, easy, easy. Just the only thing I need you to do is just lay nice and still.
You're fine. Just lay down.
Just lay nice and still.
Your handcuffs are over here. They're not in your back.
Yep.
You gotta stop fighting though. Those guys are big as moon. Yeah. His grandma said there's some delusion going on. Tried coming down the stairs. Stabbing her in the head with that popsicle stick. When's the last time you had any like drugs? When's the last time you think?
Oh, and I don't know.
You don't know when? Yesterday? Today? No, not today or yesterday.
What do you use when you use?
What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's getting paranoid.
Yeah, typically that's drug related. Not saying it couldn't be other.
Yeah,
mental
yes, I
stuff,
know.
but-
I know.
You mind if I grab a picture of your arm and stuff?
Oh.
We'll get that out.
We'll get you out of those in a minute.
Really food for that? I mean,
We're gonna get you in the soft ones as soon as we're done with your legs.
loosen my arms, please.
We're gonna put you in something more comfortable, okay?
Yeah. I think my knee too, but I think that's got skinned.
All right, lift your arms, Evan.
Okay, you right first.
I know. Yep.
Yep, we're taking them out. Just keep not fighting, okay?
That's up to
Yep.
He's hurting me.
I know. We're moving your hand.
He was pepper sprayed. He was tased a few times.
Oh my
So it did not go easy. I don't think I broke anything in your house though. Your kitchen's I would air it out. Your kitchen's gonna smell like pepper spray for a little bit. You'll notice it when you go in there.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, so just keep relaxing.
Ready?
Ow. What are you got my arm for? You
Because we gotta keep you safe in here.
So I'm gonna take this off.
Yeah.
Keep being cool.
Yeah, take it off.
Actually, somebody from that
Take
side
it
wants to.
off.
Just keep being cool, bud.
Take my arm out of your f***ing
That's
house.
what we're doing.
Otherwise, I know where to find you. I'll if I hear more information, I'll come back. I'll probably come back and speak to you one more time once I can breathe and everything calms down. But I'm gonna go down to the hospital with him. We got to get him clearance and stuff before he goes to jail. So, you have any questions for us?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
This ain't my first rodeo.
Wasn't bad on my face or anything, but man, it got in my throat. Thought it was I think it was the best move to take a little fight out of him, but I was so close I didn't want to. I'd rather use pepper spray than taser right there.
My eye.
I'm gonna raise up.
My eyes. My eyes.
Thanks for coming, boys. Thanks for coming on.
Subsequently, police collected the grandson's Delta-8 THC gummies and the broken popsicle stick, which still had hair attached to it.
Recovered at the scene, a broken popsicle stick used as a weapon, and Delta-8 THC edibles. Though legal in some states, they remain dangerously unregulated. The suspect was charged and released, only to be rearrested within days. For one family, a moment of kindness became a life-altering nightmare, and for law enforcement, it was yet another reminder: no call is ever routine.